Hello! In this video, I'm going to talk about SurveyMonkey, a free online tool that can allow a person to make their own questions for feedback or to check understanding of a topic. SurveyMonkey also allows a person to share the surveys by generating a link to share with others, as shown right here, web link 1. So a person, to fill out this survey, they would click on it. We'll just click on it. So they would copy this link and they would paste it onto their browser, however they'd like to do it, and they'd fill it out. And this link can be accessed by anyone who receives it. Mobile devices such as smartphones and tablets are also compatible with SurveyMonkey, in addition to most web browsers. I'm on Chrome right now. This tool is also effective in the sense that a person who makes the survey can view and analyze its results. So if you click on Analyze Results on the top, you can see a variety of things once it loads. So the average score, I scored mine. 3 of the questions, as you can see right here, they were multiple choice. And so 18 people answered this question. 100% of people got this question right. Where do monkeys and orangutans live? Same with this one, 100% got it right. And then this question, oops, scored a little too far. What are some ways animals hide from animals that want to eat them? This one I created as an open response question because there's more than one answer to this. So camouflage. You can see a variety of answers that were generated from this. Some people goofed off a little bit. So as an educator, this could be a good starting point for conversation, talking about, the responses students chose, because yes, these answers are anonymous, but you can still bring these questions to class. And what's really awesome about this tool is there are a variety of questions that can be asked, because you type the questions, you can make them multiple choice questions, you can make them written response questions, you can make them true or false questions. There's just a lot of things you can do with this, and I think it's a really great tool for educators and all people to use.